ene so ya se share biom ene ye ba besua some 3 tips of Adobe Illustrator. Say we new e was our channel we so obetimi down to your previous lessons no say be ya also betimi sua from the start me the link ni be beto ase say be ya betimi start here free baby no oba be drew baby a ye drew no most of your videos na ye no akoye Adobe Photoshop but o ma ye Adobe Illustrator so kakra we Adobe Intri ena ye enti say unim anything about Illustrator obetimi start from me link na me de beto ase amount. And the ye babe that traits of Adobe Illustrator no a little advanced kakra enye bibia na bia be hu some of the tools no be a little advanced just what start free baby and some be hu sa tools no ye kire sa tools we say be a logo creation ene your friends how to control your shapes, how to make shapes easier obetimi control your shapes obema shapes are easier ma in your creation. Some of the characters who create animation characters and before and now they acquire animation cinema Illustrator 1-2 a obetimi use enti ene yesu so ye beginner obetimi akọ in previous lesson said na make no enti o ye new obetimi a subscribe ma me yenko straight to Adobe Illustrator na me nkyere. First of all, you be create fresh page. Most of the times you use square in my designs. I like using square in my design. You can feel to choose any shape bia or and say new document bia but my document me tell you a square in my design. So you are free to use any document bia and answer any template bia or person will choose or probably use A4, A5, A6 and answer shape bia wait use American letter bia person use bia betimi use ede aye. Into yanko straight to Adobe Illustrator. I be create 10 by 10 inches. Said the bia me no. Me 10 by 10 inches in your already created dada. Into you be use RGB. In use CMYK. Into the resolution is about 300. You create a fresh page. You know. Into one how to wrap text around a circle in Adobe Illustrator. And I say who creating logo how to wrap text around the circle. And yeah, baby, you know. We a little different. I say any Photoshop the AI is similar. Any Photoshop the AI is similar. Enti one you careful obey trick kakra essay but any the same. Any Photoshop the no AI say but any the same. Enti ma mention ni nyina what the circle and be start. Enti ye be create a circle no. Enti first of all no mamini we need free chain na transparent say be ya obehunu the difference between ade na me nti say mama background no the whole background no are transparent once a box no one means a transparency nti ye be ye fill no e the frame ye be ye fill no sa white na wo inside no ye be the frame nti afi ni abe fill no the frame be select ye shape no and as ellipse na ya create no ye fill no the frame nti afi you best select it and one. Then near called direct to no direct selection to no. I say NOD na about direct selection to no and yes selecting. Nti be share un say o share circle ne so a point back I say. So into o click so I selected half of the circle. Nti that means about be all select 1 2 3 points. Ubi trasa point here. Into o click it delete. Be free ho. So you click it delete no a free ho. Enti afi you better type it around text no. You see I easy am I say be text it around text no. You better select it 24. Near about God is my maker. Tiafi you be increase your text size and kakra. Tiafi ni about path, type on path. So ni about type on path option. Ni about preview. Ti me kire wade wo ha say. Me kire wade wo ha. Enti hwa de. So the text na ye. Enti se opese wo turn wo text no ma no ye bibi ti say a ohun skew no ma menyi we ni mfiri ho. When we say the text na ye no, nti there are so many texts and so many tools in Adobe Illustrator. Ebi ni Photoshop. There are so many tools in Adobe Illustrator. Ebi ni Photoshop. There are so many tools in Adobe Illustrator. Ebi ni enema Adobe Illustrator is so powerful no. Enti ye be sen akọ back na ya select sa same same option na ye file no. Na ya sen about preview. E also the only two preview say be ya de we bia na obi hunu. What I say? We bia be hunu na ya sen select different thing. Rainbow ni a direct one. So we na rainbow we a direct one. Say the now person a no. What I say? Enti ye be select different one 3D no. So on say the 3D is why. Ti ye be fa different one. So on steps no. So on near far away gravity. So on the gravity na but the ebe you see a rainbow no. Ebe you see a rainbow. Nti say o pese circle no eba asia hwade. So on ebeba a text na wabo no ebe tene aba beda circle na ellipse ni mfimfin but ebe fa the same line now o pese e fa na ascender. O click ascender option wo Adobe Illustrator type path no ma ubenya na oba descender ye first option na yedi kan choose ye no na center. So te baba be that circle no and say stroke na o create ye no ni mfimfin pepepe na baba da stroke na o create ni mfimfin pepepe na baba da na baseline so ye first option na ye choose ye no nti wo fa friends wo fa sa option type on a path option na wo fa type on a path option na o first year obenya a baseline no enye descender ni the same thing descender class different kakra wo mo say me click descender no an say e mo bi a separating no from stroke na eda ho no what you say but what the two baseline na say net here into your first option na e file no a baseline fair who the can choose that type option na the ebe ma your base option no into yanko da opese what type to ase so a you be create the same thing, the same ellipse na the same size. Enti se wonim se wontimi create the same size na wonim se wontimi create the same size na ma menkyere wade enko back na menkyere wade se de be easy na oso wate ase. So nti afi yenyi ye feel ni mfrim na afi hwade there is selection tool. So before no the na me pese me kire no eni nie obedi kan art circle no the same thing say be ya emfa wani so be ya obi create different one na emfa wani so nti afi ye be feel no e dey frame na afi afa direct selection tool no e delete it down no na ya bo God is my maker no God is my maker 22:2 nti we have assigned the same circle no aba beto nti it looks like say the same circle na no wasi enya no nti eno so ye be we na frame but this time round no ye beba betwa esoro mum na afiro because ye pese ye type to ase na ye me delete so nti ye be sen about different text e de ato a eno so be o de beto powerful so ba bia me bebo free right but we both free left and a core top and we both free right into right now no the bebo Jesus is alive. There's a little trick be what I say. There's a little trick be what I say. Jesus is alive. So there's a little trick viewer. So one you careful it's me for any so. So and you person about text and to asia said me chiro yi pepepe but you have to control it ne e wose o ma ne looky advanced say o pese ye no what you say nti won say me control no we so so achia kakra nti we no so no wa control na ma na ba be ye pepepe nti say logo na o create a logo e na o create a the same thing na o be logo na o create say person wrap text no around o shape na the same thing na o be so my wrap text no around circle no every my wrap text no around circle every but you have to control it say be ya also e be fit to say the wo pese o shape no eye no nti say e bia design bi na o pese o create to mfimfin a eno ani so design bi na o pese o create to mfimfin a eno ani so design bi na person o create to mfimfin a eno ani o create to design e dia to mfimfin awie so o create to design dia to mfimfin yanko ye second tip so ye second tips na blending option ye second tips na blending option obi o Photoshop but we nye Photoshop dey no we Adobe Illustrator ye vector ene nti Adobe Illustrator e na ye ne nti ye be close we you see a creative fresh page 10 by 10 sir. Blending option ena ye ba be no sisi a. The blending option no e wa ha oba object a blend option na wa ha blend option ena wa ha isindo blend option ena wa ha ti ye ba be sisi a ye blend option e wa isi so oba object a blend option e da ha isi no enti afi ye be create two circles baako ni aye ne green ni ye stroke na fi ho second na ya ebe twisu green but ebe ma green no aye little lighter kakra so ti afi obe select two circles ni nyina obe select two circles ni nyina no aba blend oba blender o ko blend option so no aba o twisu smooth to ye be use sa tools me anyway nyina but first of all ye be choose ye be fa smooth color no ade ti afi we an wasen select no aba same blend na no aba so instead senka obe long way they are create way different style I be obetimi dia control text what you say we asen abekere wade ye nko different things so and also the same circle na the same circle na by a different color and also we are no wasen select the same wasen select and wasen about blend ho or about blend option but this time if I specify steps no you first step specify steps no so no wa click okay so we are no wasen about make so on the circle na here on the circle na enti afi yen second tip no tip shape builder 2 ene ye ba be use ye be use shape builder 2 na ene so onim shape builder 2 a shape builder 2 ni we ne e friend shape builder 2 no so 2 we ne e friend shape builder 2 and the shape the tools no straight for Illustrator tools na this side no e demonstrate nti nya afi na akwa hwe any option bia wo top or bia we dey that straight in the shape builder 2 no ma menchero ade no so me create 4 circles e wa ha e be fa shape 4 circles so we are not duplicating now f4 e ma shape aye different ene so to we may change colorway ma change colorway so nti afi ebe use shape builder 2 no ebe ma shape builder 2 ni o person use o se o ma o color no fill ne better top se bia o person o twa de a eno so ma kire eno se dey see use shape builder 2 di twa de we so different little different kakra nti bit select a shape builder 2 no then ne can we boom ya be can we boom ya can we boom so hu ni aye so on shape I create this here on shape I create this here into a lesson for no 3 how to a lesson for 3 tips and in Adobe Illustrator no it is a lesson na ba we say we new say the make ya obetimi a subscribe ma me obetimi akọ back to your lesson no obi a unnim anything about Adobe Illustrator obetimi akọ back to your lesson me the link ne be to as say the make no say be out obetimi a start here free baby na also asua Adobe Illustrator say we new a me da wa say wa subscribe to channel no me wa say ma hwe me lesson na ma me